Hey y'all, it's Federica and I'm back again with another video.
Let's go.
Hey y'all, it's Federica and I'm back again. This video is basically me doing a nighttime routine on my face. Before we even get into this video, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to add me on Snapchat because I add y'all back. And I got this skincare system thing from a company. And I'm gonna put the link in the description and you can get 70% off on it. So yeah, just check the description box. I'm gonna go in with this Buy Your Free this. And I'm just wanna, cause I played in some makeup like a few minutes ago. So I was like, well, this is a perfect time for me to do this video. So yeah. So if you guys want to know how I get this face to be pretty, don't mind about keep watching. So yeah, I'm gonna start water my face. Oh, and we're gonna put this on the spin brush. You should always want to put some type of cleaning product on your face, like after you didn't play the makeup or something, because you don't want to just go to sleep with a dirty face, because that's just, that's nasty to me. So yeah. On the first wash, I'm using hot water to open up my pores and, because the next time I'm just going to be using cold water the rest of the video. I'm using this product on my face because it burns where it's been, like, just say like forming bumps and stuff. It burns kind of like where it's at and where you need to put it at. So that's why I like to use it. And it's really a good product. And like I stated, you can get 70% off using the promo code WORTHY2019. And it will be in the link in the description for the spin brush. Right here, I'm using cold water to wash my face off in a clean towel. Next, we're gonna go in with the Daily Deep Pore. So yeah, we're gonna just put this all like a mask over my face. You can use this product as a mask or on just like a daily wash, because that's what it's for. You can use it either way. I personally, in this video, I used it as like a wash, but sometimes I could use it as a mask. So yeah, it works either way. I'm drying my face off with a paper towel. You can also let it air dry, but you shouldn't use like a towel to just dry your face off. It's like moisturizer for your face, which I use this in the mornings. I put this cocoa butter on my face just for extra moisturizer, because my face could be very dry and it could be very oily, so it just depends. And at nighttime it get very dry to me. Because this is what I do in my night routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Freddie.May. Add me on Snapchat only.drinker. Follow me on Snapchat only.drinker. My Twitter is DrinkerLove12. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends, your family, anybody. So yeah.